Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate very much. Thank you very much for watching. So, starter on a Bruin, Yamaha Bruin 350. So for the past week, starter totally packed up. It was dodgy before that, but I do pull starter for a weekend. Here. So going at it then. 350cc is quite hard to try to start accordingly, even though it's a bit worn and a bit down on compression. Okay, so I'll get the point. Your gear selector, well, it's automatic, but the selector for forward reverse then, that goes, used to be up there, 10mm bolt, and that just lifts off. That's out of the way. So the starter sat inside there, like that. 10mm bolt to get this wire off, cable off. And then you had two, I'll take it up again. See those two holes? You had two 8mm bolts, and they were, see there and there. And when I got something short, I just got a chisel and I just levered these splines out. I've slackened these now to actually take it apart to see it. And see, one brush is out, but the other one is totally mangled up inside there and it hasn't worked for a while. So she's only been one brush for a while there. So you take, well, that's a nut you had for the cable. I've another nut there. I have a new one to show you. So the new ones come like that. So you just place it there, well, like that. But I need to take it off. I need to clean that with a bit of fine emery then. Polish this up. Basically get it nice and clean. Well, that's pretty dirty, but get nice and clean with some fine emery and put it back together. And looks like a bit of water's been getting in there as well, so the rubber seal's gone. And see here. Let me see if I have an O-ring or something just to get it watertight, because when I opened it up, you see a bit of water did come out of it. So I've cleaned it up with sandpaper, but you can see the edge over there. It's a bit of curve in it, see it? A bit of groove in it, and you can see the grooves there as well. So I don't have a lathe, so I'm going to just put this end in the chuck or pillar drill, and I've got a fine file here, and just hold it, well, it's a full width anyway, just hold it against it for a little bit as turning, just to get rid of a little bit off there, to make it a bit straighter really, and a bit better job. With the new brushes will be straight then, and this is a bit curved, so we get a better contact really, and won't wear the brushes out. Took a bit of time, but you see the shavings there, but we got to the end. Okay, so I'll just run some sandpaper over it now, just get it a bit smoother. So I've run some fine sandpaper over it, quite nice finish now. And just did a little bit there as well. This is a Bruin, Yamaha Bruin 350, but this actually fits a Honda TRX 350 and Kawasaki KLF 300. So we fit a few the same one, and fits a few different things then. So yeah, to actually get it off, I highly recommend this set then. Sealy Premier little what is it, 1/4 driving. So you can see you have your metric this side, well, metric up here, the long one as well, then Imperial here. Really handy little kit, and different extensions, etc. Thing was, for one of those bolts I had to use extension and a short socket to get the one. Then the one didn't have quite as much room, so I had to use one of these long reach ones, which are actually shorter than one of these and one of these. So yeah, it's it's handy like that now. Repairing tractors as well, so, and cars or whatever. It's really handy little set. Okay, a nice metal box as well. It'll last you a while. So yeah, that's it really. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.